Smile greetings. I am Tejal Uppal and you are watching my channel Learn Sujok for free. Friends, this is the first course with 14 videos to start learning Sujok. In this course, you will learn the correspondence systems of Sujok and begin the process of self-healing. In order to actually gain from this course, you must watch my videos in the order that they are given, chronologically. And also watch each video till the end. If you like my videos, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon next to it.
Smile, welcome. Hope you have gone through the previous two videos and have learned to map the whole body on the yin and yang side of your hands. In this video, I will share with you how the various joints in our body are miniaturized on our hands. Let's dive in. The joints of our body are all on our extremities, right? On our arms and legs. In the arm, which is depicted by the first finger and the little finger on our hand, there are three joints. The shoulder joint is the joint that attaches the arm to the trunk of the body. So on the hand, the base joint of the first finger, this one, and the base joint of the little finger are shoulder joints because they are attaching the upper arm, the upper arm to the trunk. So these joints, the base joint here and the base joint here, these depict the shoulder joints. The middle joints on these fingers are the elbow joints because between the upper and the lower arm. So between the upper and the lower arm is the elbow joint. So this is the elbow joint on both the fingers, on both hands. This is true for both hands, obviously. Then the left hand, the first finger has the left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist. The top joints are the wrist, by the way, because the wrist join the hand and the lower arm. So this is the hand, this is the lower arm. So this is the wrist joint. And this one here is the wrist joint. So on the left hand, because on the left hand, when you keep the hand like this is the left arm, this is the right arm. So the left arm has the left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, and the right, this little finger has the right shoulder, right elbow, and right wrist. Right? Now in the leg, okay, which is depicted by the middle finger and the ring finger of our hands, there are three joints again. The hip joint, which attaches the leg to the trunk. So on the hands, the base joints, these base joints are the hip joints. Now on the left hand, obviously this is the left leg, this is the right leg. So turning it around like this is the left hip joint, this is the right hip joint. Now between the upper leg and the lower leg is the knee, right? So this is the left knee and this is the right knee. And between the lower leg and the foot, this is the ankle joint. So this is the left ankle on the left hand. This is the right ankle. Now these are all the joints on the left hand. I'll show them to you on the right hand also. Now this is the right hand, right? So this is on the right hand, when you keep the hand like this first finger becomes the right arm. Okay. So this is the right arm. So this is the right shoulder, right elbow, right wrist, this joint. And this is the left arm. So this becomes the left shoulder, the left elbow, and the left wrist on the right arm. Okay. And similarly for the legs, these are the two legs on the right hand. So when you keep the hand like this middle finger is the right leg. Okay. So this is the right leg. So on the right leg, this is the right hip joint. This is the right knee, and this is the right ankle. And on this ring finger, you will see the left joint, the left knee, and the left ankle. So this is how the joints are placed on the left hand and the right hand. It is very clear. Actually, it is based on the similarity of the hand with the body. So it is very, very similar. When you place these things on your arms, on your body, you instantly understand on the hand also, right? Now, when we see the arm, okay, the front part, this part is the yin of the arm, and this part is the back, which is the yang of the arm. So on the arm the fingers that depict the arm. This is very clearly the front of the arm, the yin of the arm, and this is very clearly the yang or the back of the arm. But when we see the legs, the back of the body can't be bent, is darker and harder. Similarly, the back of the hand is also these. This is the yang of the body. This we've understood. Now, the only difference being that the leg can be bent backwards, right? Human body, if you see, you can bend your legs in the back. Arms have to be bent in the front, but the legs, they get bent backwards. If you notice in your own body, right? That means the front of the legs that you see, the darker part, is the yang, because that is darker, and the back of the leg is fairer, that is the yin. The yin and yang in the body is different only on the legs. In the human legs, the front of the legs is dark, they cannot be bent, it is rougher, and that is the yang. And the back of the leg is fairer, and it can be bent, it is softer, that is the yin of the leg. And why is this difference there? Because this, basically the similarity of the hand to the body is based on the human body from the embryo stage, from the child stage. And when a baby is born, if you've noticed, he's, sleeping like this, whatever, but his legs are like that. They are never like that. They are like that. And when they are like that, in the, we call it the Bharatnatyam pose. It's a dance pose in India, but basically in that position, the legs of the baby are always like this, isn't it? And when they are like this, the yin part is visible. But when, as a person grows, the legs become like this. And then the yang part is visible in front. Right? So to see the placement of knees on your hands, there is a special, position that you need to understand, because now when you see the knee over here, you might think that this yin part is, because this is the yin, so you might think this is the front of the knee, but it is not so, because in the body, this yin part is actually the back of the knee, isn't it? So whenever you want to actually see the position of the front and back of the knee, there is a certain way that you can see it. Hold your fingers like this and put it on your knees. Put them on your knees like this. Right? When you're sitting, just put them on your knees like this. When you put them on your knees like this, then this becomes the top of the knee. This becomes the right side of the knee. This becomes the left side of the knee. And this becomes the back of the knee. So this is how you, so in case if there is a problem in the top of the knee, in the front of the knee, then you have to treat here. And if there is a problem in the, say, in the outer left side of the body, left side of the knee, then you will treat here in the back of the, in this position. So this is one thing that you need to understand, placement of knees on your hands. So in this video, I have explained exactly how the joints in our body are placed on our hands. Your action step for this video is that you mark all the joints of both sides of your body on each of your 10 fingers. You should be able to do it just by logic, not by copying it from the pictures. Professor Park Jae-woo has explained very logically how each joint has to be placed accurately. So, if I suddenly ask you, okay, what is this point? What is this joint? So you should instantly be able to see, okay, this joint, put your hand like this. This is the left hand. So this is the left side, middle finger. So this is the left leg. And this is the middle joint between the upper leg and lower leg. So this is the left knee. So instantly you should be able to tell me this is the left knee. Now, if I ask you, what is this joint? This joint. So again, you put your hand like this. This is the first, the first finger, and this is the left arm on the left hand. So this is the joint that is furthest from the trunk, or the joint between the hand and the lower arm, which is your wrist. So this is your left wrist. So this is how good you should become, that you should know exactly which joint is which joint on the hand is which joint of the body. So practice this and memorize this. It will take you only a few attempts. And in fact, even if you feel, that you memorize it just now and understand it logically and memorize it a little bit, even if you forget it, It doesn't matter. The logic is so good that it will take you hardly any time, like I explained it to you just now, to figure out, which joint is which. Like when we are doing treatments, sometimes when you don't remember, we just logically think, okay, this is this, this is this. You just have to remember the position of the hand and you have the correct, correspondence. So now remember, for example, if you have right knee pain, then all you have to do is to go to the right hand, go to the right leg, and on that, go to the knee joint. This is the right knee joint. On this right knee joint, you will do the treatment and your knee pain will disappear. That's it. So you have to learn the exact location of the body parts on the hand, and the treatment becomes very simple and accurate. In the next video, I will share another system with you, which is specific for treating the head parts, just the head parts. So see you in the next video. Thank you.